today we are in Hilton Hotel in Guindy and we are here for dinner for Vasco's buffet, I guess. Well, Vasco's buffet. And it's pretty famous here. This place is beautiful, like so gorgeous with the decoration. There's also water fountain and stuff. It's so pretty here. It's like gorgeous. So I'll show you what's in the buffet. So hello guys. Today I'm in Hilton Vasco. I think Vasco's buffet, and I'm going to show you around what and all is here and stuff like that. So let's get in. Guys, first this is the starters counter. This is like the soup. This is the more basmati showbas. I don't know how to pronounce.
Guys, and look at this very.
This is my brother. And this is another soup. This is a veg udon noodle soup. I think this has noodles, and these are like baguettes and breads here, freshly baked. These are the breads. And they have starters. This is chicken. And then this is also, I think, fish.
And this is also fish.
This is chicken. This is not fish. This is
And this is fish fry.
This is fish fry. Thank you, Emir. Let's go. And over here we have two types of. We have paneer here. Like I think you can see that. And this is panko crumbed vegetable bagnut, something like that. I can't pronounce the names. Sorry guys. This is chili vegetable.
This is kara shamir.
This looks really nice. I will try it.
And this is hala paneer.
This is, I think, this shami. This is basically like a vegetable cutlet. Let's see, we can show you this one.
And this is paneer.
Hey, wait, show it. This is Haryali Paneer Tikka. This is like, looks nice. This is sauces all around
Mayonnaise.
Here are the pickles and stuff like that. And these are the sauce bottles, I guess. Guys, as usual, this is rasam. I think everyone knows this. Sheesh, it's hot. This is rice. I don't think I need to show you that. And what is this? This is methi palau. I don't know what is this, but it's kind of type of palau. Chana masala. Paneer tikka kharab yaar. Yeah, okay. This sabzi masala handi. It's type of like a vegetable curry. This is Sandra fish curry. Chicken biryani, everyone's favorite. Mutton biryani. This is malai chicken. Nice, I'm gonna eat this. Okay. So this is another area, and it's the steamed fish chili garlic sauce. Oops. It's actually the Asian cuisine part, so yeah. Yeah, all the different kind of cuisines. This is fried tofu with vegetable and chili garlic sauce. Basically the same thing but with tofu. These are stir-fried noodles. We just opened it anyway. This is chicken vegetable fried rice. Basically over. And these are the kimchi section, guys. I didn't show this. This is like types of kimchi. And this is like the traditional kimchi, I guess. Looks nice. So many types of kimchi. I've not seen them before. This is the salad section. This is the masala fish salad. The chili garlic chicken salad. And this is paneer tikka salad, and this is the aloo salad, Indian spiced aloo potato salad, baby corn, and tandoori style cauliflower salad. And they have like some sort of a Turkish, I can't pronounce that, sorry, hummus, green peas hummus, this pita breads, and there's like a whole salad section here with all the greens If you wanna have it, but who comes to buffet needs this stuff? But yeah. The new section too. This is a tandoor section. They have like pizzas and all kind of toppings here. This is the what do you call it? The fried area. They have papad, and like another type of papad. Decorations look so nice. It's a halwa puri thing. So all the ingredients you guys can have in it. This is the decoration. And here we all have like the juice section. This is the what do you call it? The fried area. They have papad, and like another type of papad. Decorations look so nice. It's a halwa puri thing. So all the ingredients you guys can have in it. This is the decoration. And here we all have like the juice section. The sweets and the chaat section, guys. So this is like basic dahi, vada, tatai, tata chaat. I don't know, I think these are reserved for sweets, but yeah, let's go to the another corner and show you what all is there. And this is the ice cream corner, as everyone loves. Everyone loves ice cream. There's chocolate ice cream, strawberry. And then the other side, it's like vanilla. There's sweets and there's kaju katli here. Cashews, chocolate syrup and all. So this is a black forest cake, as everyone loves this. And this is a passion fruit galaxy, something like that. Coconut morabba. This is sugar free. This is the fruit tuli. All the fruits. And these are all the pastries. This is kunafa. It looks like kind of like baklava, but this is kunafa. Some type of assorted pitti. Mango pastries, and these are blueberry eclair. Sweets again. This is caramel chocolate pudding. This one is really nice. I tried it out. Almond pudding. Gulab jamun, everyone's favorite. So basically guys, that's about it about the menu, and the food is here is like so good. I love the food here. Everything tastes so nice. So guys, that's it, and this was the hotel we came in. Bosco. The food was all good. Everything was nice. I liked it so much.